Hi, did you know that you can make your own toys just from polymer clay? So let's make a mini tennis ball. Now I'm shaping it. I made it small. You can make it bigger if you want, just by using more clay. Now I will make the tennis white line. First, I will mark where the line is going to be. Now I will make a tiny groove. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And tell me, what do you want me to make in the next video? Now I will shape a white string. Now I will put it in the groove. I'm making the line smoother now. There is the result. Let's make a mini football from polymer clay. First, make a mini ball. You can use any leftover clay. Then make little black and white balls. The white balls have to be a lot more than the black one. Try to make them similar sizes. Don't make too many balls. You can add more if you need later. Then put them together. For each black ball, put 5 white ones. Shape them like a flower. And then for the next ones, put whatever color they need. Keep adding until you cover all the ball. If you want your football to be smaller or bigger than mine, all you have to do is make the inside ball the size you want. Now all you have to do is make it smoother. Keep rolling it until all the mini balls are joined. Okay, let's make a baseball and a baseball bat then. First, I shape the mini ball. Then I mark the lines on it. It is like the tennis lines. Then I made the lines a bit deeper so I can put the string in it. Now let's make the stitching lines from red clay. I will start by the long line. What other ball you want me to make next? Make the line smooth. Now the mini stitching lines. I fix it using this tool. If you find it hard to do, you can just draw it on the ball using a red marker. Now I will make the baseball bat. For this, I used a barbecue stick. I cut it to get the length I wanted. I spread the clay on it like a kebab. I chose light brown. Now I'm making the down part of the bat. I'm adding white bandages. I'm making it straight. Fixing it. Now I'm adding lines to make it look realistic. Let's make a bowling ball and pins. We will make the ball with a marble effect. To do that, I added some threads of pink, purple, and black to my blue clay. You can choose any colors you want, but preferably for the ball to be dark color and a light color for the effects. Now I'm making the 3 holes to hold the ball from. I will polish the ball now. Let it dry and let's make the pins. Shaping. After that, I will add 2 red lines on the pin's neck. Make it so thin. First line. Second line. Usually there are 10 pins, but I made just 6. You can make more or less. Who cares? Hee hee hee. Shiny. Let's play. So bad. Now for how to make volleyball. First, make a ball from any leftover clay. Then mark surfaces. Make 6 surfaces like a cube. Then make little rolls. From each color, make 6 rolls. I chose white, yellow, and blue. Here I started with the white one. On each surface, put 3. 2 from the same color on the sides, and 1 different color in the middle. Put a different design in the adjacent surface, but the same one on the opposite surface. You have to work fast before the clay dries. Now, all that's left is the blue rolls. It's done. Now I'm making it smooth. And there it is. Now I will make a mini basketball. I had to mix brown, orange, and red clay to get the basketball color. I added some texture to it, so it looks realistic. Now I will make the basketball black lines. First, I will just mark where the lines are going to be. 2 cross lines. And 2 more on the sides. It's ready. Now I will make a groove to put the black strings in it. I will shape the string now. Make it as thin as you can. Let's put it in the groove. It looks hard to do, but it's so easy. Making the lines smoother now. The basketball is finally ready. Let's make a mini American football. The ball's color is dark brown, so I added a bit of black to my brown clay. What's the popular game in your country? Let's shape it now. Now I will put lines on the sides to resemble sewing lines using this notch tool. These handcraft are good therapy for stress or when you have free time. I made 4 lines. Now I will make the stitching lines in the middle side. The sewing lines look so realistic. Now I will make the stitching part from white clay. I will make the long thread first. Make it as thin as you can. I will fix it more now. Fixing. Now for the small threads. Better for it to be thinner than the long thread. I will put as many threads as I can, but keep good space between them. My football is ready now. It looks cute. Go ball!